Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This time we've got an updated room tour for the Hilton Grand Vacation Club Kingsland in Waikaloa. We stayed there recently, so let's check it out. All right, so welcome back. We just checked in to our favorite spot on the Big Island in Hawaii. We are at the Hilton Grand Vacation Club in Waikaloa, which we always come here, but this time we booked last minute. The only rooms they had left were the Deluxe Golf View, Deluxe 1-bedroom. So, quick little tour. I mean, you know my videos are short, but if you want to see our previous stays, I do have those videos posted already. This is the deluxe version with the better view. We're on the 3rd floor, building 24 if you're familiar with this place, but let me just show you real quick. But if you really want the in-depth review, go ahead and find my last video on my channel. All right, so nice big kitchen. I mean, I think all the rooms have a full kitchen, but I will say this room was much bigger in terms of square footage. At least it felt like it. And the balcony overlooked the golf course. So that was a very, very nice touch. We spent a lot of time eating breakfast and all the fun things out here on the balcony. Great view. Seating for 3, but of course you probably could drag another chair out there from the dining table. And this, also you could see the pool. So this is one of those pools that's in between the rooms. It's in addition to what you find at the main vacation club property and like at the clubhouse, they have their own pool. But this is separate. So lots of pool options, fantastic balcony. Again, if you want the full property tour, it's in one of my older videos on my channel, which I will link down below. So bigger bathroom than the standard rooms here. You do have 1 sink and the tub, which is not what we've seen before, but this is the deluxe view. Got your bathroom with your Toto washlet, and then this is your shower. Nice big shower for you. They did change those up from the last time I was here. They used to give away the bottles. So, bathroom. So 1-bedroom option for us. Obviously, if you need more space, they have units with more bedrooms, but we absolutely loved our stay here. Have you stayed here at all, or are you thinking about it? Let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, please like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram for more hotel tours.